Are you stuck in airplane mode on your Windows 11 laptop and can't turn it off or can't turn on? This issue can disable your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and network connections, making it impossible to go online or use wireless features. Don't worry, this is a common problem, and in this guide, we'll walk you through step-by-step methods to fix it. Step 1. Restart your laptop. The first and simplest fix is to restart your laptop. Temporary bugs or glitches often resolve themselves after a reboot. Step 2. Use the keyboard shortcut. Most laptops have a dedicated airplane mode button on the keyboard. It's usually combined with a function key like F2, F7, or F12, and may show an airplane icon. Try pressing Fn plus F2 or Fn plus F7. Check your specific laptop model. Step 3. Turn off from settings. Click the Start menu and open Settings. Go to Network and Internet, click on Airplane Mode. Toggle the switch to off. If the switch is grayed out or stuck, move on to the next method. Step 4. Go to Search bar on the bottom of the screen, type Device Manager. Then find Human Interface Devices. Click drop-down menu on the left side. Scroll down until you'll see HID Complement Wireless Radio Controls options. Then right-click, select Uninstalled Device. Then pop-up menu will appear. Tap Uninstall. If it has been uninstalled, click Scan for hardware changes or the magnifying glass icon above the screen. After that, please check again whether airplane mode can be turned on or off. If still not working, the next method is to tap the search bar below of the screen. Then type Services. Then tap Services again. Then scroll down until you find Radio Management Services. If you find it, right-click. Then select Properties. On the Startup Type options, click the drop-down menu and select Automatic. Then click Apply and click OK. After that, right-click again on Radio Management Services, then select Restart. Wait until the restart process is complete. If it is finished, please check whether the airplane mode has been successfully turned on or off. If you have done a few ways earlier, the problem on your laptop should have been resolved. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.